everybody, welcome back. Today what we're going to do a little program where we're going to update a password and we're also going to create a new password. So here we go. I'm going to put password is equal to, let's say, Dave. Okay, very simple password. This is just a very simple password program. Password 2, okay, is equal to nothing there, so there's nothing there. So now I'm going to create a function, so define update password. Okay, so define update password there. And the first one we're going to do is entry. We're going to get some input from the user. Entry is equal to input. And give the user a message. Update password. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay, update password. Yes, no. So, user can type in yes or the user can type in no. Right, so we're going to go on to the conditional. So if entry 1 dot lower, this will reduce everything to lowercase in here. So if the user types in yes or no in uppercase, this will just type reduce it to lowercase, so we don't get any errors. So if entry 1 dot lower is equal to yes here, then the program's got to do something. So I'm going to type in password dot clear. Okay, so this should clear the password, and then we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what's going on. Your old password has been erased. Your old password has been erased. Okay, the password. Okay. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to type create new. I'm going to call this function new password. So this is a function that we will be creating under here in a minute. Else we're going to print a message to the user again. It's going to be you entered no, and so you got this message. So you got this message. Okay, so you entered no, so you got this message. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to create the new password function. So define create new password. Okay, so we'll create the new password function. I'm going to call this entry 2. Entry 2 is equal to input, so we need the user's input here. So entry 2 is equal to input. We need to give them a clear message here. Enter new password. Okay, you can't get any clearer than that now, can you? Enter new password. And we're going to enter it into that password 2 up here. So we're going to enter the new password in there. So what we're going to do is password 2 dot append. and we're going to append entry to that. So whatever the user types in there for a password is going to be stored in this password list here. Okay, and now we're going to print the user a message. Print. Okay, this is your new password. Okay, right, and that's going to be password 2, so the user can see that it's actually updated that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on save here, and I'm going to do the last part of this, and I'm going to call the function. So I'm going to call update password. Okay, so we're going to call the function, and just going to click save there, and we're going to run the program. So let's have a look at the program. In fact, I'm going to expand it so we can see update password. I'm going to say yes. Okay, so your old password has been erased, so it's been erased out of there. Enter new password, and I'm going to put Mark 567678, sorry, and this is your new password, and of course it's printed it there. In a real life situation, of course, you won't be displaying your password, but I've done this so that you can actually see that it does update the list. So there's the new password, and let's just run it again and use the no option. So update password, let me just shrink this down a little bit, we don't quite need it that big, whoops, not that small as well. So there we go, update password. So I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click no here. So you entered no, so you got this message. So in here, else, so that's the message that we got because we decided not to update it. Okay, I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, remember to give me a like and consider subscribing to this channel. It will help me out, and it'll make you feel good. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you